What's up, you guys? It's Boomoo. Just want to show you guys how you can actually start making your own business cards, whether that's magnetic or more custom personalized to you. So let's just get started. There's two materials that you need supposed to get. It's actually the business card material. I recommend using Avery. I use the 2 by 3.5. Comes with multiple cards that you want. You can do 100 sheets with 1,000 cards, or you can do 100 cards, 500 cards. It's your choice. I personally like this template, which I'm going to put in the description below, along with this, the magnet that you need for this particular situation. So I'm just going to show you along with my screen where you can find that in Amazon, because I don't know how to find that in person, just because I am a millennial who wants to look for convenience. So it's a Minimalog business card. There's a selection where you can get 100 cards or 200 card counts. It really depends on what your comfort level is, budget. And obviously the business card that I'm going to use is Avery 2 by 3.5. Like I said, you can get 250, 100 cards, 1,000 cards. I feel more comfortable going with the 1,000 card route. But if you just want to do 250, that is about $35 just total, just having about almost 200 plus business cards under your belt. So let's just say the Avery cards have arrived to your home. You want to go avery.com/projects, basically create a new template. And obviously the cards that we have is this form at 58.71, because we particularly purchased the 2 by 3.5. Now it's up to you what design you want to do. If you want to do vertical, if you want to do horizontal, just depends on what you feel like is more aesthetically pleasing to your eye, that you feel like is going to capture your client's eye. I tend to focus on homeowners, residential consulting, so I use magnetic ones just so they can remember every time they go to the fridge that I am coming for their appointments, or just give the refreshing that they are going to do business, or they have a problem to solve, just so they can continuously be refreshed that I am the one solving that problem. You can choose whatever background color you want. For this particular incident, I'm going to use vertical. You can type in your name. You can type your occupation, email, phone number, whatever you desire. And yeah, you can customize it, just thinking like your own business. What is like a thing that you're solving, a particular situation, and so on and so forth. And you can fill out information that best suited for you. So you can also do preview and print, just so you know how the 10 cards are going to come out with the printable paper by Avery. You can see ahead of time what that will appear or look like as well. So let's just say you guys got the card, right? The Avery business cards. Well, how you want to print it, right, is this is the front side, right? And this is the back side. What works for my printer, and I always use my work office printers just so I don't have to spend ink and buying a printer, don't have to worry about that particular instant. I put the printer paper like this, right? When you put in the paper with stacks of them, you want to put the front side like this. It's going to be blank. Obviously, if you put it yourself like this, right? So what you want to do is put the paper in the printer like this when you put in the stack, just so when it comes out, right? Because the printer is going to go like this and start printing on top of here, right? So that's how my printer works on this particular situation. And when it comes out, these 10 cards are going to come. So how you want to do, right, from here is, it's very simple. Just be careful with your fingers and not rip the cards, right? Just be very cautious. I tend to like to fold first. I think you guys got the gist at this point. And it's really easy. I thought it was pretty hard. I'm not really handsy, or let's say I'm artistic or got good hand craftsmanship, but an average Joe can actually do this right here. take these other edges off. So I like to fold on one side and fold the other side just so it gets super loose. That's just me. And I can do however I want to cut it. Yep, I like to fold the other side too, just so it comes off very, very easily at this point, right? Now I'm going to go on the magnetic side. This is the back side, which is magnetic. And this side is where you peel it off. Right here. And I'm going to align this as accurately as possible. I just like to focus on the edges first, so it gets the other edge naturally. And boom, voila, just like that. It's very hard to peel off right once you insert it, so you want to, once you actually put it in, just want to make sure that you don't try to take it off, because basically that's a ruined business card at that point. But yeah, basically you repeat the process again until you are satisfied on how many business cards that you want, right? Once you get used to it, boom, just like that. Another business card that literally took me about 10 seconds to make. Instead of waiting for a week or 2 weeks, I would just prove it's magnetic, right? There's 2 business cards, boom, sticky, right? So you can put this on the fridge, so a homeowner or a client can always see my information. It's not going anywhere, instead of being lying on the bed or being somewhere that it could be barely found until you do house cleaning. And when you do clean the house, it could be on the trash can, or the wife could have been throwing it away. Then multiple people are asking for, hey, I want 5 business cards, 6 business cards from you, just so I can refer you to other people. Super simple, super easy. With about 30 bucks, you can have 200 cards. Basically, it's paying for itself, and you're generating more business on having a very high conversion ratio, just because people are constantly seeing your material over and over again, like a fridge. But yeah, basically that's how you can do your own magnetic business card, your own hands, and designing it by yourself. Nothing too difficult. Give it a like, subscribe, so we can reach out to more people. Helps out the channel as well, just so we can reach people who want to do business or want to learn more about just like videos like this. See you on the other side. Peace. Forgot to tell you guys that actually it is on the business card itself, where it shows what template you need to use, so that's very handy as well. Also guys, if there's moments where you have on the top, you can see the ridges right here are popping out, doesn't seem too super clean. If I look on the back side, right, these white stars are peeking out. So what you can do is, right, you can get a scissor just like this, a KitchenAid, put the link description there, and if you want to just cut it, right, just to make it more aesthetically pleasing, appear more cut and professional. Now you can cut this side and make it appear more aesthetic, more clean, just so you don't have any missing pieces, and just a better overall business card by doing that, and you don't have to waste or throw it away.